after 5 months of working with us, his company got acquired. We have another client naman who's a B2B services firm. We've been working with them since January. So, ang B2B service, alam mo naman, may awareness, tapos may discovery call, tapos may demo call, tapos may pricing negotiation call. So, you're looking at like
daming stages.
Yes, you're looking at like 2 months to like 4 months before a decision is made. So, our growth hack was basically, how can we make this faster? How can we make their prospects, yung prospects ng customer namin, ng client namin, to decide faster? So, what we did is, we automated their sales pipe. We automated their follow-ups. So, yung WhatsApp na yung nagpa-follow-up, automated. No? And then, we also automated what we call parang video sales letters to the sales funnel ng client. Bubuuin mo yung buong sales funnel na yun, na automated, may WhatsApp follow-ups, etc. And he was able to basically accelerate without hiring more people. Nabulunan na lang siya nung dumami na talaga.
Yung pang inbounds na.
Yes.
Okay.
So, because he's able to handle more. Since we automated it, now we could handle like 100, 150 opportunities any given time. And after 5 months of working with us, his company got acquired.